Hi guys, so we are working on fractions, and so we're going to work on some more problems where we read a scenario and we're going to have to model the fraction, write a statement, and then write the fraction. So you don't have this, you're just going to watch me before you work on some on your own, okay? So this is card 7, the stake, so I'm going to read it and we're going to look for the information we need to help us. You ordered steak and it finally arrives sizzling. It is so big you decide to cut it into 6 equal pieces, so that's important. To share with others at the table. 3 of your friends take pieces, okay? So 3 of your friends take steak pieces. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is draw a model. And it wants to know how many steaks did your friends take. So I'm going to model my picture, and I know that I cut it into 6 equal pieces. Okay, so there's my 6. And I know that 3 of my friends take a piece. So I'm going to color in what they take. 1, 2, 3. So they took 3 pieces. Okay, so I want to know how much steak did your friends take. So it says my friends ate 1, 2, 3, 3 pieces of 6 pieces of steak. Okay, so remember, the 3 is what they ate, and the 6 is how many I cut, how many pieces I cut. So I could write it as my friends ate 3 6. Okay. And then a way to show that, guys, so I need to make a fraction. So in 2nd grade, we learned how to write fractions using the words. In 3rd grade, we learned writing the fraction line. Remember, this is called a fraction line or a fraction bar. And so my number that goes above this is called the numerator. And that tells me how many pieces they ate. And then my number that goes on the bottom is called the denominator. And that tells me the number of equal pieces in a whole. Okay. So when it says, how many steaks did your friends take? 3, 6. Or 3 out of 6. Okay. So let's look at number 8. So we need to know how much cake did you and your friend eat. So look at this, you and your friend. So it says, you see that the dessert menu includes your favorite orange chocolate cake. As much as you would like to devour the whole thing, that means eat the whole thing, you decide to be generous and share with your 2 best friends. The cake is cut into 8 equal pieces, and each one of you eats a slice. So you eat a slice and your 2 friends. I think I spelled friends wrong. We'll fix it. Yes, the E is supposed to be over there. Okay, so that means 3 people are going to eat the pie or the cake. So first thing I need to do is model. So it tells me that I cut it into 8 equal pieces. I'm going to draw my picture. Okay. Now it wants to know how much cake did you and your friend eat. Well, we know there's 3 people, so I'm going to say I ate a piece, my friend ate a piece, and my other friend ate a piece. Okay. So my statement says we ate 3 of 8 pieces of the cake, because we ate 3 of them and there was 8 pieces in all. So we ate 3. So this number is matching this number, 3. This number is what I cut into, so that's going to be not 8, but 8s of the cake. Now, in 3rd grade, we learned how to write it using the fraction line or fraction box. So my numerator is 3 because that's how many pieces we ate, and my denominator is 8 because that's how many equal parts or equal pieces in my whole that I have. Okay, so what you're going to be doing today is hold on, guys. Okay, so this is a handout that you're going to be doing today. I'm going to do one of them with you so you understand what you're going to be doing. So it says, look at the table below, read each scenario, which are these, complete the table by drawing a model. So where it says model, that's where you're going to draw. Write a statement. So all you have to do is fill in the blanks and writing the fraction described in each scenario. Okay, so let's do one of them. I want to do this one right here. So grab your handout. It says Modeling Fractions Math Wednesday. And we're going to do this one right here. Not the first one, the second one. Oh my God, my daughter is banging her feet against the wall. I think she's trying to tell me to be quiet. Okay, so this one right here is what we're going to do. So Javon ordered a pizza. Half the pizza was pepperoni. How much of the pizza was not pepperoni? So this word right here, half, is how we're going to cut our pizza. So I'm going to draw a circle. You could draw a square, but pizzas use your circles. And I'm going to cut it in half because it says half. So this half over here, if you want to draw, I mean, you can draw pepperonis on there if you want to draw it. This half of the pepperonis, or this half of the pizza had pepperonis. This half did not have pepperonis. So how much of the pizza was not pepperoni? Not pepperoni. So this part over here. So if we have halves, one part of it has pepperoni, the other half. So 1 out of 2, because there's 2 pieces, sections of the pizza was not pepperoni. So my fraction would be 1 fraction line out of 2 were pepperoni. Not pepperoni. That's why I want to do this one with you, not pepperoni. So this half was pepperoni, this half was not pepperoni. Okay, so that is what you're doing. You're reading the scenario, you're drawing me a picture, you're filling in the blanks, and you're writing a fraction. So you have 1, 2 on the back, 3, 4 to do. Make sure you're reading carefully. Underline, circle what you need. Make sure you're reading what they're wanting you to do. Okay? All right, guys.